Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is abstain from. Abstain from meaning avoid, decline, give up, stood, refuse, cease, do without, shun, renounce, stew, leave off, keep from. So these are a couple of synonyms or other meanings of this phrasal verb abstain from. इसको हम उर्दू में परहेज करना, कोई चीज़ छोड़ देना, किसी चीज़ से अवॉइड करना भी कह सकते हैं. As it is there into this picture, this man, he is vowing to eschew or avoiding using these things. So we could use here the sentence that he took a vow to abstain from alcohol and smoking. इसको हम उर्दू में ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि उन्होंने अल्कोहल और स्मोकिंग छोड़ने की कसम खाई थी. So this is how we are going to use this phrasal verb abstain from. One thing which is very essential that these phrasal verbs which we are going to study are very essential for all the exams. It is first year, second year, MA, MSc, BS and other competitive exams. See you next time with another phrasal verb.